In this video, we're going to express the square root of a negative number as a multiple of I. It says express the following in terms of I. They give you root negative 27. So we're going to treat these basically the same as we treat any radical. But before we start, we'll split this and take care of this negative real quick, and we'll write this as root negative 1 times root of 27. And I said that we were going to treat this basically like any radical because root 27, we're going to break it down just like any other radical. But you can see that for complex numbers, root of negative 1 is I. When you have root of negative 1 times root of negative 1, that's I squared. That just equals negative 1, right? Radicals cancel there. And I cubed is negative I. You can see the multiplications of the root negative 1s. And then I to the 4th is 1. And then it repeats. So I to the 5th will be root negative 1. I to the 9th would be root negative 1, so on and so forth. So root negative 1 is I here. So we can go ahead and replace that and say that this is I. Times, well, root of 27 is root of 9 times root of 3. Well, root of 9 we know is 3, so I end up with 3I root 3. And that's how you break down that radical with a negative on the inside. Let's do a second problem here. In this second problem, we have root of negative 25. So we're going to write that as root negative 1 times root of 25. We know root of negative 1 is I, so we're going to write this as I times, well, we know the root of 25. Right away, we don't have to break that down as 5. So it's I times 5, which would be 5I.